Hi, I'm Andy Chan from Hudson Property. Welcome to 92 Edinburgh Road, Benowa Waters. Why don't we take a look around?
This stunning northeast to water family entertainer offers privacy and tranquility with a relaxed ambiance. Boasting 5 spacious bedrooms including a ground floor guest suite, separate office, 3 living areas and 3 full-size bathrooms, this impressive waterfront residence has so much to offer and sits on a generous 1,126 square metre block of land in beautiful Benowa Waters. Offering a vast internal floor plan, you'll be spoilt for choice with where to entertain or to unwind. Retreat outdoors to relax or host family and friends in your undercover pavilion with full-sized wet bar, bathroom and sauna. Relax alongside your refreshing 14 by 5 metre infinity edge swimming pool, complete with wading area. There's a pontoon for your boat and accommodation for your jet ski. The bedrooms on offer are also sure to delight. The oversized master suite features its own private balcony and water views, along with his and hers walk-in robes and superb ensuite. There's also an oversized triple garage and workshop area and parking for 3 more vehicles. Other features include ducted air conditioning, solar panels, back-to-base alarm, automatic sprinkler system, a cellar and landscape gardens.
Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon.